Yo guys, what's going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are doing a night ride on the Talaria XXX with a new 72 volt battery. Just going to put in some music, some headphones, rip around, see what we can find, and just show you guys some of the power this thing has. We are only at 76 volts, so it's like 50-60%, so keep that in mind, but we're just going to rip the hell out of this thing. We still don't have a headlight on since we put the front number plate on, but we should stay in the light areas. We'll be fine. Ready? One hand. No problem. This thing just freaking rips. Currently the Nuke does have a setup where it goes into like, it shows a turtle on screen, and I guess you can call it like a limp mode at a certain percentage, so we'll see if we get it that low. I gotta make it lower though, because I think it kicks in pretty early. It's so you don't get stranded and run out of battery, obviously, but it's actually pretty cool tonight. It's like 70 because it rained all day, but all right, ready? Let me show you guys some of the benefit to this 72 volt right there. Literally, that was like the sloppiest sit down to stand up, back to sit down, but I was able to keep up the front wheel because we're gonna send it all the power. Like, you're able to be a little sloppier. Cops appear to be pretty active right now. I don't know what for. Something's going on, but I wonder if you guys can even see right now. $10 kilowatts is freaking sweet on this thing. Say what? They're doing a movie here? It's Willy Wonka. Very nice. A lot of random interesting things going on here. We got a bunch of bicycles over here. We got the bikes right here. Pop over to the cafe, see if anyone's out and about. Alright guys, we just met up with some random dude named Angelo on a Suron, and we're just gonna rip it up, I guess. Still with me? Yeah, he's with me. Yeah guys, this 72 volt from Chai is nutty. Like, you can just fucking fly on this thing. I don't know if this guy has 72 volt or not. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I did earlier. But I'm just riding in the city now. Talk to you later on. Alright, peace, bro. Keeping it up. I feel like I'm gonna lose my phone in these pants, bro. What's up? Yeah, I got a controller and a 72 volt. Yeah, I was about to ask. You got stock battery, right? You got stock battery and controller? Yeah. Yeah, I just put the 72 volt in yesterday. Oh, let's cut it up, baby. Oh, wait, is that an E-Ride? Wait, is that an E-Ride? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a Sur-Ron. Is it the Pro S or Pro SS? The SS, nice. Like go like 15, 20 and then just pop it up. Yeah. And just practice tapping that rear brake, bro. That's what I always say. Like, find a parking lot, go back and forth 100 times, just pop it up, tap the brake. So you develop that muscle memory. The light is red. Pick that shit up, bro, he said. Alright guys, I'm sick and tired of sliding around on these Ninox. It's not the most fashionable thing, but these pants are getting pulled up. Listen to that tune. Oh, it's getting windy out here. I love just how you can rip this so hard and so fast. Killing the battery, but we love it. Now we're only at 50% now too. That's crazy. We might lower the kilowatts though, just to save a little more on range. Said, yeah, baby. Woo! All right, guys. Well, that was a fun little rip, little jaunt. Just trying to give you guys some of that sound. The electric 450 now. Yow, sport bike. Remember when I had a sport bike back in the day? I mean, if you consider an R3 a sport bike, that is. Oh yeah, guys, we got these new Saints of Speed gloves, new shipment in today. Use code Connor to save. They always have the coolest designs. I'm gonna wear some of the coffee ones, like the Dunkin' Donuts ones, soon. They're usually my favorite, but these ones are pretty cool too. I wore these tonight. I just love the way these things fit, guys. Like crazy good fit, nice dexterity. The only sad part is we end up destroying these fingers because, you know, whoop, we like to try and hand drag. Oh, my back just got so wet. Oh, not ideal. No high five, huh? Dude, the universe did not want me to keep that wheelie going. Alright, we're gonna hit South Street real quick and then probably call it, because, ooh, 70 volts. We're probably gonna get a limp mode soon. Hey. You know, I haven't done the key trick in a while where I turn the bike off and back on. I'm not gonna do it now, but next video I'll do it just to show you guys I still can. Ooh. Alright. I'm going to end it right here at South Street, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to get these gloves, use code Connor at saintsofspeed.com. If you want to get this battery, use code ConnorG at ChiBatterySystems.com. But I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer and she's just a